There are still so many things to learn about creating websites and Dreamweaver's capabilities. This is a foundation course aimed to teach you core knowledge about web design and to kickstart your career. I wish I could show you more, but our time is limited. There is one last thing I would like to show you, however, and that is an image button that changes appearance when the mouse hovers over it. This is a very useful trick. Open index.html in Dreamweaver. Select the collection button and delete it. I will double check in Code View that all is selected. Choose Rollover Image. Next to Original Image, choose the Collection button image. Next to Rollover Image Browser, you will find the hover state image. In this case, it is collection_hover.ping. Next to When Clicked, go to URL. You can browse until you find the collection.html page. Click OK. Let's preview the result in a browser. Now, when the mouse hovers over the button, it has a different appearance. That looks like a real button, right? Smart. The space above the button needs to be included through assigning an ID to it of nav space. But luckily, you do know how to do that by now. Congratulations! Your site is looking good.